channel DAV Tutor. So this is part 2 of the video solving question paper of annual examination subject maths for class 7 DAV. In the previous part 1, we have completed till question number 8, and in this video we will deal with all the questions which are present in section 1. Okay, that is section A. So let's start with the question number 9. So find the circumference of the circle whose radius is 7 cm. So students, यहाँ पर हमें circumference find करना है एक circle का. So we all know what is the circumference, right? Circumference is equals to perimeter, isn't it? The boundary of a shape is known as perimeter and the boundary of circle is known as circumference, and circumference is nothing but perimeter. So for solving this question, let us draw a circle here. Okay, so let's consider this as a circle with the radius we need 7 cm. Okay, so let it diameter and let it the radius of the circle. So according to the question, this is 7 cm, right? And the perimeter means the boundary of the circle, and so this we need to measure, right? This is the boundary of the circle, that is perimeter, and that is circumference. So students, क्या आप सभी को पता है कि circumference की जो फॉर्मूला है वो क्या है? Of course you must know that is 2 pi r, where pi is equals to
22/7, okay, or it is written as 3.14. Do you know why it is 3.14? Because when you divide 22 by 7,
okay, so sometimes we take this value also to solve it. Now we need 22 by 7. So let's solve, and here r stands for radius and we are given radius. So let's solve. 2 into 22 by 7 into 7. So of course 7 cancel. 2 multiplied by 22 is 44. So 44 centimeter is the circumference of this circle whose radius is 7 centimeter. So this is your answer. I think you all have done correct, isn't it? So this question is done. Let's move to question number 10. Now in this question we need to calculate the mean of first 10 odd numbers. So students, क्या आपको पता है मीन कैसे निकालते हैं? Of course यहाँ पर हम इवन नंबर का मीन देखते हैं. क्या होता है? इवन नंबर का मीन होता है जो मिडिल मोस्ट ऑब्जर्वेशंस होते हैं उनको हम लोग ऐड करते हैं. तो पहले द मिडिल मोस्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन एज n and m. So let n plus m by 2. इसके बाद जो हमारा आंसर निकलता है वो हमारा मीन होता है. एंड अगर हम ऑड नंबर का मीन निकालते हैं तो सबसे मिडिल मोस्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन होता है वही हमारा मीन होता है. तो इस क्वेश्चन में हमें दिया हुआ है कैलकुलेट द मीन ऑफ फर्स्ट 10 ऑड नंबर. सो स्टूडेंट्स 10. सो 10 इज इवन नंबर और ऑड? ऑफ कोर्स इवन. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें इस वाले फॉर्मूले को यूज करना है. मीन्स m plus m by 2 मीन्स इवन नंबर ऑफ के मीन निकाला है हमें इवन नंबर का. सो लेट्स डू. Let me clear the screen first. Okay, so let's write all the odd numbers which means the first 10 odd numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Count everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got 10 numbers, 10 odd numbers. These are first 10 odd numbers, right? Now you all notice कि इनमें से सबसे मिडिल मोस्ट में कौन सा 2 नंबर लाई कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th. So अगर आप 9 और 11 लेते हो 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, तो आपके पास इस साइड भी 4 नंबर्स हैं, ऑफकोर्स इस साइड भी 4 नंबर्स हैं. तो ये हमारा क्या हो गया? मिडिल मोस्ट. ठीक है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू फॉर्मूला n plus m by 2, यहाँ पर हम लोग करेंगे n plus 11 by 2 and you get 20 by 2, that is if you cut is 10. So 10 is what? 10 is the mean of first 10 odd numbers. So what is your answer? Did you get? Of course 10 is your answer. Did you understand? If not, then please comment. I will definitely try to understand you. Okay. Now question number 11. Question number 11, it is given that a tetrahedron has dash vertices. So we all know what is vertex, right? So do you know what is tetrahedron? So let me draw this for you. Okay, so this is tetrahedron, means all its faces are triangles. Okay, so vertex means corners, right? So let us count the corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It means it has 4 corners and it means it has 4 vertices. So the answer will be 4. Now let us move to question number 12. Okay, so हमारे question number 12 में we need to find simple interest on rupees 500 for 5 years and rate 2%. मीन्स यहाँ पे हमारा प्रिंसिपल है ₹500, टाइम है 5 years and rate of interest है 2%. So you all know what is the formula of SI, and if you don't, so please remember SI is equals to P into R into T by 100. Okay, so why does P into R into T by 100? P is the principal, R is the rate of interest, and T is the year. Multiplying all these and dividing by 100 gives us SI. And you know, amount is equals to SI plus principal, which means when you calculate SI, then you add it with principal and then you get amount. Okay, so in this question we need to find only SI, and it is divided by 100 because rate is in percent and any number having percent means any number by 100 means upon 100. Okay, so let us find simple interest for these data for question number 12. Okay, so SI is equals to P into R into T by 100. Sorry, it's upon 100. So 500 into 5 into 2 upon 100. So now cancel it. 100 5s are 500, 5 5s are 5 5s are 25, and 25 2s are 50. So SI is equals to 50. Okay, so this is your answer. This was very easy. Okay, so it didn't take very time. It's to solve. Just what you need is to remember this formula for all the simple interest questions, because in mathematics you need not forget the things. Okay, maths में आपको formula भूलना नहीं है, because next class it is changed. You know, all the formulas, all the concepts are connected to the previous concept which we have read in previous classes. So let's move to the question number 13. In this you have given some numbers, algebraic expression, and you need to find H.C.F. Okay, so the question is, what is the H.C.F of the term 16m minus 4m square? So हमारा यहाँ पर algebraic expression है 16m 4m square. See what is common in 16 and 4. 4 is common, and 4 is common in this, so we took 4. And in this, m and m and m. 1m is common, so we took 1m. 4m is your common, which is dividing this also, and this is common, so this will be your HCF. And one more thing, if you get confused in taking variable as common, do one thing, like this is m square, and here if you get m3. So just see which is the lowest one, which number is, which variable is having the least power. Cause 1, so take 1. So take m. If it is not there, if m square and m3, you need to take the common, so take m square. Because here m square means m into m, m cube means m into m into m. So here always you get 2 and here always you get 2 and 1 will be left. So this is the smallest, this is the common. Because this can divide this also, this can divide this also, but cannot this. So this is smaller. This will be your common variable. Understood? What is H.C.F? How to take the H.C.F for algebraic expressions? I will give videos as well after Holi. You will get all the videos from chapter wise. So please check it and just understand it, because you need to remember this for long. Okay, so this question is solved. I hope you must have understand. Now question number 14. Okay, so in question number 14 हमें एक इक्वेशन दिया गया है, that is 9z minus 13 is equal to 11z plus 27. So we need to solve the equation for z because this is the unknown value. So यहाँ पे मैं इक्वेशन लिख रही हूँ 9z minus 13 is equal to 11z plus 27. सबसे पहले आई होप कि आप सभी को रूल पता है, जब LHS RHS की साइड पे जाएगा तो साइन चेंज हो जाता है, राइट? माइनस प्लस हो जाता है, प्लस माइनस बन जाता है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवाइड एंड डिवाइड मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता है, करेक्ट? ये होती है रूल इक्वेशन सॉल्व करने की. ट्रांसपोजिंग द नंबर टू द LHS टू RHS और LHS टू LHS changes the sign. So let's solve. Now you see what is common means like terms को चेक करना है हमें. 9z 11z is it common? Is it common? Of course is it common. So let us, and 13 and 27 is like terms. These are like terms. So let's arrange it. So 9z here nothing is sign, so it is plus. यहाँ पर आके हो जाएगा minus. 11z is equals to 27. यहाँ पर है ये माइनस, तो यहाँ पर आके हो जाएगा ये प्लस 13. सो आप इसको सॉल्व करो एंड रिमेंबर स्टूडेंट, जब भी आप इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करते हो आपकी जो यहाँ पे साइन देते हो वो इज इक्वल्स टू नहीं होता, वो इम्प्लाई की साइन होती है, मीन्स ये वाली साइन होती है. तो रिमेंबर दिस. सो 9z माइनस 11z इज 2z. बिकॉज यहाँ पर प्लस है, यहाँ पर माइनस है. एक और रूल है, प्लस माइनस इज इक्वल टू माइनस. पर साइन किसकी होती है स्टूडेंट? जो नंबर ग्रेट होता है मीन्स ग्रेटर देन होता है उसकी साइन होती है. यहाँ पर 9 और 11 में ऑफकोर्स 11 बड़ा है, यहाँ पर माइनस की साइन आएगी. इस साइड में दोनों साइड पॉजिटिव है, साइन पॉजिटिव ही होगा. और इसको सॉल्व करने पे यू विल गेट 7 + 3 10, 2 + 1 3 + 1 4. ओके, सो z is equals to minus 40/2, राइट? दिस इज 20 minus 20. डिड यू नो यहाँ पे मैंने -2 से साइन हटाकर -40 क्यों किया? बिकॉज दिस इज स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. माइनस साइन ऑलवेज रिमेन विथ नॉमिनेटर नॉट विथ डिनोमिनेटर. ओके, सो योर आंसर इज 20 -20. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. ओके, so in question number 15 we need to calculate the area of a triangle whose base is 2 meter and height is 16 meter. So let us draw triangles, everyone. So this is the triangle, and according to the question the base is 2 meter and the height means this part, height is 6 meter. So the formula of the area of triangle is half into base into height, right? So with this formula we need to calculate half. What is breadth? Means the base is 2 and the height is 6. So you can calculate it easily. 2 to cancel and 6 ones are 6 meter square is the area of triangle whose base is 2 meter and height is 6 meter. Okay, so this question was very easy, isn't it? काफी जल्दी सॉल्व हो गया ये, right? क्यों? Because you knew the formula, and if you knew the formula, maths is very easy. Now question number 16, one of the easiest one, but you need to focus on the words of question. Means आपको कहाँ तक उस क्वेश्चन को, इस इक्वेशन को, एक्सप्रेशन को सॉल्व करना है. दिस डिपेंड्स ऑन द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. So let us see what is question number 16 and its statement. Okay, so in question number 16, we need to simplify 2 raised to the power 5 and 2 raised to the power 6. So let me write here 2 into 5, 2 raised to the power 5 and 2 raised to the power 6. So we know if the base is same, then the power gets added, right? So you can see 2 and 2, the base is same. So we can add the power, right? 11, 2 raised to the power 11, but 2 raised. So this is your answer, right? This is your answer. 2, 11. This is your answer. And if you want, you can even do this and write the answer here. Okay, and it will be good only if you do this part. So multiply 2 into 2 11 times and write your answer in the comments, and I will check how many of you have correctly solved this part, because I am here to guide you. Okay, and if you solve, अगर आप खुद से solve करते हो, it means आपको भी interest है. So now I want to check your interest. So today of your work, who will watch my video are requested to simplify 2 raised to the power 11 and give your answer in chat box, means comment. So with this question, your section A has been completed with 2 parts. So I request, if you have not watched the first part, please watch it and get your queries cleared from question number 1 to 16. सेक्शन ए के लिए आपके जो भी डाउट्स थे वो क्लियर हो जाने चाहिए. एंड अगेन इफ यू वांट टू आस्क, यू कैन आस्क फ्रीली, प्लीज. सो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू DAV Tutor and get ready for your next session with this channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.